Hello, Japanese learners! 皆さん、こんにちは。日本語の勉強を頑張っていますか？ Are you looking for the best way to learn kanji to pass JLPT test? I upload kanji video every day, starting from N5, N4, eventually I will get to N2. My name is Sayaka. I am Japanese. I teach Japanese as professional.If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any video. それでは始めましょう。These are the today's kanji. All the kanji has same radical, which is the gate. I hope that makes it easy for you to memorize. You're gonna have JLPT quiz at the end, so stay focused. The meaning is gate.On is mon. Kun is kado. Radical is this one. These are the words with this kanji. Front gate is seimon. Seimon. Specialty is senmon. Senmon. Go down, attach, across, go down, across, across.Go down, attach, across, go down, hook, across, across. The meaning is question. On is mon. Kun is tou. Radical is the gate. These are the words with this kanji. Seeking information is問い合わせる。問い合わせる。Problems or questions. 問題。問題。Inquire. 質問。質問。Go down. Attach, across, go down. Across, across. Go down.Attach, across, go down, hook, across, across, and then you write kuchi as you use mouth to question something. The meaning is hear, listen, and ask. On is bun, kun is kiku, radical is the gate.These are the words with this kanji. Listen, hear, ask question. 聞く。聞く。Listen to the music. It's 音楽を聞く。音楽を聞く。Ask teacher a question. 先生に聞く。先生に聞く。Newspaper. 新聞。新聞。Go down, attach, across, go down, across, across. Go down, attach, across, go down, hook, across, across. And you write ear here. Across, go down.Across, across, across. It's all stop and then all connect. Go down. The meaning is open. On is kai. Kun is hiraku, aku. Radical is the gate. These are the words with this kanji.I open the door. It's the transitive verb, so you take the particle o. ドアを開ける。ドアを開ける。To start, 開始する。開始する。So this is one of the famous shrine in Japan. It's called Itsukushima Jinja. And every jinja has this gate.And in hiraku, we have this symbol in the kanji. go down, attach, across, go down, across, go down, attach, across, go down, hook, across, and then you write gate here. So across, release, and stop. The meaning is close. On is hey. Kun is 閉じる、閉める。Radical is the gate. These are the words with this kanji. I close the book. Transitive verb. Particle is o. 本を閉じる。本を閉じる。The door closed itself. Intransitive verb. Particle is が。ドアが閉まる。ドアが閉まる。An automatic door. An automatic is 自動。Open and close. 開閉。自動開閉ドア。自動開閉ドア。Go down, attach, across, go down, across, go down, attach, across, go down, hook, across, and then katakana o, across, go down, hook, and release. The meaning is concern, barrier. On is kan. Kun is 席、関わる。Radical is the gate. These are the words with this kanji. Relation, 関係、関係。Affect, get involved. For example, you get involved some project. プロジェクトに関わる。Something affect your life. 命に関わる。Go down, attach, across, go down, across. Go down, attach, across, go down, hook, attach, go across. And katakana, so kind of 1, 2, and ni 1, 2, and then hito. Release and stop. Step 4, flashcards. Please repeat after me. Seeking information. 問い合わせる。問い合わせる。Specialty. 専門。Problems. 問題。Questions. 質問。Ask, listen. 聞く。Newspaper. 新聞。To start. 開始。To close. 閉める。Also to close. 閉じる。Open and close. 開閉。Relation. 関係。Affect. 関わる。Step 5. JLPT quiz. You have 3 questions. For each question, you have 10 seconds to answer. Choose the right answer from the choices. The answer is 2番、正門。The answer is 3番、open and close. The answer is 2番. I hope you did pretty good on the reading test. If you like it, let me know by clicking the like button below. I will see you tomorrow. また明日会いましょう。さようなら。